Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to use the weekday function in Excel. So here are some dates written and we want to get the days belonging to these dates. So first of all, we will click on this and use weekday formula. So I will write here weekday function, and that is starting from equal and then weekday. Here you can see the formula. Click on this and select serial number, mean first date you want to enter, and then comma, and here you can see the list. You can select number 1 for Sunday and so on to 7 to Saturday. Similarly, you can use number 1 to Monday and throughout 7 to Sunday. And you can start from 0, that is started from Monday, through to number 6 relating to Sunday. So I am taking here first option and bracket close, and here you can see the Excel has returned number 1 day. Similarly, it has gone to number 7. So now we will have to convert it to day's name. So right click it and go in format cell, and here select custom and write in the type the letter D 4 times. And you can see the number has converted into the name of the day. Click on OK. You can see the first letter is converted to Sunday. Now drag this formula to remaining cells and you can see all the numbers have been converted into names of the days. So this is how you can use the weekday function in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.